Jai Hind, my lovely children. Jai Hind, good evening. I am Deepti. I welcome all of you on this Sukhoi Academy channel. RIMC December 2022 preparation will start, and in a few moments it is going to start from today onwards. So all the best. First of all the aspirants, RIMC aspirants, first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, all of you, all my best wishes. Okay, and soon we are going to start with the preparation. I'm so glad to see all of you. Niyanta, good evening. Gurudev Singh, Mayank Kumar, Akash, Aditi, Geeta, Sayyad, Gurudev Singh. Okay, my name, wow, Deepti Mishra. Okay, and then we have Naughtyland, Gamers Fighter. Then we have Yash RIMC, who has completed his whole English. Then we have Shaswat Roy, and all my old and all my new children, you are welcome. Then we have Palai Rudhanand. I'm so sorry, I feel some kind of difficulty in pronouncing your name. Yes, we have old children also. Yashraj, Vishwaraj we have, and then we have Digital Padhai, Preeti Pandey, Minakshi, and we have Sumit Chaudhary, Meenu Singh, Veer Pratap, so many names. How many names should I say? So all the lovely children, whether I have taken your name or I have not taken your name, I have missed some names, you are all welcome to this session. I feel so happy to start this session with you. December 2022, my eyes are on that. Akash Yadav is from UP. Okay. Yes, Anjane, hello everyone, hello and good evening. Veer Pratap. Yes, I am pretty well, Veer, thank you so much. Sonam Sharma, Jayant, Neeraj Sharma, Shashidhar Gupta, Sivang, Preeti Pandey. Good evening, good evening. अच्छा, मुझे फटाफट एक स्माइली भेजो सब लोग, saying that yes ma'am, we are ready to work very hard, because RIMC is not an easy exam. It is not very difficult also. I have said this before so many times. It is neither easy, it is not difficult. Easy, difficult is here. If you prepare well, everything is easy. If you don't prepare and you take it lightly, it is very, very difficult. Okay, so send me smileys, everyone, saying that yes ma'am, we are ready to work hard. It needs lot of effort, lot of practice, lot of learning work, and lot of writing work also. Okay, ready to work hard. Okay, you are from UP. I have many children here also, and online, offline, both. I have many children who are from UP. UP is a big state, no? But we have three seats from UP, so no problem. Work hard for those 3 seats. Yes, you are ready to work hard. Very good, Yash. Very good. Even I am ready to work hard. I am also very all set to work hard with you. Nice. You have no attempt now, was my last attempt. I have no attempt in June, was my last attempt. No problem, Anjane. The question paper was very easy, and I have kept my fingers crossed for all my old children who took the exam in June, that they will definitely clear the exam, because all those things which came in the paper, we had practiced so many times. So why are you worrying, Anjane? Arnav, RIMC, you are from UP. So many children. We have Malathi from Tamil Nadu. How nice. Good. So now see, you are from Varanasi. Jayant is from Varanasi, very close to my in-laws' house. I am 100% sure about my selection. That is the spirit, Anjane. This is what I want. See, I tell you every time, whenever you say something, you are giving a message, no? You are leaving a message in the universe. So don't say anything negative. Okay? Okay, you are Monit saying, yes, all my new children, all my old children, you are all welcome. Acha, we have children from Jaipur also. Ganesh Pandit from Jaipur. How nice. Chalo. Jammu Kashmir, Meenakshi. Good. सबका स्वागत है भाई, सबका स्वागत है. गाजीपुर, मेरठ, then we have Rajasthan, then we have Jammu Kashmir, MP, UP. How nice. I'm so happy, I'm so glad that I have so many children from all, mostly Tamil Nadu also I can see, mostly all the states I have covered in this session. तो चलो भाई, इसी बात पे एक लाइक तो बनता है, फटाफट लाइक कर दो, ठीक है, सेशन को लाइक कर दो एंड शेयर इट अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स सो दैट ऑल दोज फ्रेंड्स who are preparing for RIMC exam may come and join this. ठीक है, चलो आज हमारा छत्तीसगढ़ also, विजयवाड़ा also, हरियाणा, अरे वही मैं I was just wondering हरियाणा कहाँ चला गया. So we have हरियाणा, सोनीपत, ओए मुझे तो लग रहा है आज का सेशन ऐसे ही जाने वाला है. ओह, केरला, बिहार, ओह yes, Arna, this is what I'm saying. Punjab, Delhi, which state is left? No state is left. अच्छा, मुझसे promise करो कि yes ma'am, today we are there in the session. आज के session के बाद आपका session अगर पसंद आएगा तो we will be there in the next session also because I have children from mostly all the states, है ना. अब एक स्टेट से एक सीट है, वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर द सीट, और जो फाइटिंग चलेगी ना वो यही चलेगी, इसी चैनल पर चलेगी और हम सब उस फाइट को देखने वाले हैं. सो जस्ट प्रॉमिस, यस मैम, वी आर वी आर विद यू इन दिस फाइट. जल्दी से मुझे प्रॉमिस कर दो और हम सेशन को स्टार्ट करते हैं. 10 minutes आर ओवर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट क्लास. हमारी जो फर्स्ट क्लास है ऑन सुखोई एकेडमी चैनल, किस टॉपिक से स्टार्ट हो रही है? टॉपिक इज सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर. हम सबसे पहले क्या समझेंगे? बहुत बेसिक चीज. एंड बिफोर आई स्टार्ट द क्लास, प्लीज चिल्ड्रन लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. जितना भी सामान यहाँ आपके यहाँ पर है ना, टेंसेस है, देन हमने तो पढ़ा हुआ है, क्लॉजेस पढ़े हुए हैं, अच्छा हमने तो वो भी पढ़ा हुआ है, सिंपल, कंपाउंड, कॉम्प्लेक्स, उसको पहले निकाल दो. जस्ट थ्रो दैट आउट. यहाँ पर आई नीड ब्लैंक स्पेस, आई नीड सम स्पेस. जैसे ये मेमोरी फुल हो जाती है ना, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम भागते हैं, तो उधर क्या करें, कहाँ इसको हम किसी का बैकअप ले लें, कहाँ रख दें, अपने फोन को कहाँ खाली कर दें. यू डू दीज थिंग्स. आई वॉन्ट दिस थिंग टू बी एम्प्टी. खाली कर दो इसको. वॉट एवर यू नो, when you are attending my class, just forget all the things which you know और नए सिरे से पढ़ना शुरू करो, ठीक है, as if you are learning from the scratch, even if you know, because small things matter in RIMC exam. Understood? So whatever you know, just make that space for the new things which I am going to tell you. Okay, so first things what we are going to learn is about sentence structure. What a sentence is made up of. Look at the board, everyone. Look at the board. Although I like spaghetti, or you can say although I like cakes, although I like tea, although I like chess, although I like anything. Whatever thing you can add. Look at the board. Now this is one group of words. I'll not say a sentence, I'll just say group of words. Now in this group of words we are going to study so many things. This is one word, this is the second word, this is the third word, this is the fourth word. In these 4 words we are going to study so many things. First thing which we are going to study is what is a subject. We are going to understand some basic terms. Subject. What is the subject? Subject is the person who does the work. Okay? Who does the work in this whole thing? I. Because I like. Okay? So understand the concept. What is the subject? Subject is the person who does the work, and the person who does the work can either be a noun or it can be a pronoun. Nothing, no other thing except noun or pronoun. subject can only be two things. It can either be a noun or a pronoun. Got the point everyone? तो सबसे पहले the first thing which you have to understand is subject. So we have understood subject here. Next we have another word which is like, L-I-K-E, like. Now I does some work. What work does he do? He does the work of liking. So what is like? Like is a verb. Any action that we do is a verb. Okay? ठीक है? So two things you have understood. One is subject and one is verb. And now coming to the combination of subject plus verb. What is this combination of subject plus verb called? It is called a clause. This combination of subject and verb is called a clause. ठीक है? So where is the clause in this whole thing? Although I like spaghetti, where is the clause? I is the subject, like is the verb. So this part is the clause. Got the point everyone? Now starting from although and ending on spaghetti, can we put a full stop after spaghetti? Can we put a full stop after spaghetti? Like suppose I say, look at the board everyone. Although he plays games, so 4 sentences I have written on the board. 4 sentences, 4 group of words I have written on the board. Although he play games. ठीक है? In this first one, where is the subject? Yes, very good. It does not convey a total meaning. Look at the first part. Although he play games, here in this sentence we have one subject. ठीक है? Where is the subject? Subject is the person who does the work. इसको बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ो. The starting of this preparation is being done with a very very important topic. बहुत important topic है ये. ठीक है? Because we have very less days in hand. पता है ना आप लोगों को क्या किया था मैंने कल, क्या बोला था? We are going to finish the whole syllabus in 70 days. और 70 days पढ़ने के लिए, syllabus complete करने के लिए we have to do important things. Okay? Basic से पढ़ करके we are going to take care of all the important things also. तो he क्या हो जाएगा? He ने काम किया. So he is the subject. Which work did he do? Play. खेलने का काम किया. So this is a verb. Now my dear children, मुझे फटाफट बता दो, subject plus verb combination is called what? What is the combination of subject plus verb? क्या होता है subject plus verb का combination? This is equal to clause. होता है कि नहीं होता है? Subject plus verb combination is a clause. तो यहां पे हमारा ये जो combination है, what is this? It is a clause. है? बिल्कुल है. Now, the starting of this is with although. Although he plays games, can we put a full stop here? Can we put a full stop here? Although से start हो रहा है, but we cannot put a full stop because this whole thing is not giving a complete meaning. This part, it is a clause, but it is not giving a complete meaning. Do you agree with me? This part does not give a complete meaning, so we cannot put a full stop here and we cannot say it is a sentence. This is not a sentence. Next sentence देखो, he knows me. Where is the subject in this sentence? एग्जाम के बाद हमारे रूटीन क्या होने चाहिए, कृपया अपना मार्गदर्शन दें. शाश्वत रॉय, I'll guide you. First of all, let this class continue smoothly. Okay, look at the next sentence. He knows me. He is the subject. Knows is the verb. ठीक है? So we have a combination of subject plus verb, and this is giving a complete meaning. So what is this? Subject plus verb का combination. What is this? It is giving a complete meaning. So this part is what? This is a sentence. Look at the next one. She has called me. In this part, she does the work. So she is the subject. Which work? Has called. This is the verb. Again, she has called me is giving a complete meaning. So again, this thing is a sentence. Look at the next part. If I call him, it is starting with if. I call him. I is the subject. Call is the verb. But if I call him is not giving a complete meaning. So this is not a sentence. ठीक है? Call is a verb. Yes, very good. Called is verb. Arnav, you are right. Okay. So what did you notice in all these things? What did you notice? A very important thing you notice, that sentence has subject plus verb combination. It has a subject plus verb combination. Sentence starts with a capital letter. Okay, and sentence ends on a full stop. Is this point clear? Sentence has subject plus verb combination. Sentence starts with a capital letter and sentence ends on a full stop. Is this clear? Can't understand first one meaning. Okay. First one. देखो, first sentence was although. And the one more sentence I'm writing on the board. Look at the sentence carefully. I write, he plays football. Now, where is the subject in both these sentences? Where is the clause? Come on, tell me fast. You have understood what a clause is. Now tell me, where is the clause in both the two sentences? Ashish, Yash. Okay. From Sunday, kids journey, a surprise is coming your way. Please wait for Sunday and you will get to see Dharmendra sir's class. A surprise is waiting for you, dear children. ठीक है? So there is a surprise waiting for you. Very good. He and play are clause. Wonderful. ठीक है? In this sentence, he is a subject and plays is a verb. And in the next sentence also, he is the subject and plays is the verb. ठीक है? So we have a combination of subject plus verb. That means we have a clause in both these sentences, right? We have a clause in both these sentences, but one difference is there. One can end on a full stop and one cannot end on a full stop. Tell me fast, which sentence, which part can end on a full stop? Yes, you will get the PDF of this lesson. ठीक है, step by step we are moving. Step by step we are moving. He plays football can end on a full stop, but this part is not giving a complete meaning. So this part cannot end on a full stop. This is a clause, but it is not giving a complete meaning. So we can say this is giving a complete meaning. So this is a sentence. Understood everyone? Yes, you will get the PDF of this lesson. ठीक है. Now coming to the next step. First step you have understood that the combination of subject plus verb which gives the complete meaning is a sentence. Okay. Now the next thing, does a sentence always have a subject? If I write one sentence, if I write a group of words, I just say go away. I just say go away. So we have a verb here, go. But where is the verb in the sentence? But still, go away is a sentence. Just now I said a sentence should have a subject and the sentence should have a verb, but in this part, go away, we have a verb but we don't have a subject. Where is the subject in this part? Where is the subject in this part? Jayant, I am coming to that point also. Yes, first sentence is not giving any meaning and the second sentence is meaningful. So that meaningful sentence is a sentence and the other sentence is not. It is just a clause. We cannot say it is a sentence. Okay. Hidden subject. Very good, Vishwaraj Tyagi. Very, very good. Here we have you. You go away. So what is you? You is a hidden subject. Very good, Vishwaraj. Is this thing clear? Okay. Is this clear? Now, look at the board. See, in one class, we cannot understand all the concepts. It requires so many classes. But still, in this class, we are going to just focus on structure. And we are going to just focus on clause. That's it. Okay? Today's session is just about the structure, sentence structure and sentence structure also. There are so many different kinds of sentence structures and in one class, one session, we cannot complete the whole thing and we are going to understand each and everything step by step. So, where is the clause in this sentence? I know that he has stood first. Where is the clause in this part? Okay, Arnav is asking what is hidden subject. Arnav, if I tell you you are standing in front of me and I say bring a book for me. I ask you, I tell you, I'm not saying Arnav bring a book for me. I'm just telling you bring a book for me. Okay, now who will do that work? Who will bring that book? You will bring. You are standing in front of me. I am talking to you, Arnav. I am talking to you. So who will do the work? You will do the work. So what do I mean when I say bring a book for me? What do I mean? I mean you bring a book for me. Yes, right? So here this you is hidden. There is a subject. The subject is in front of me. It is hidden. No need to write that when you are writing a sentence. Okay, we learn more about these things when we will understand the kinds of sentences. Please pay attention on each and every class, because once you miss one class, one session, then lots of question marks will be there. Okay, today is the first session, very basic things we are doing, but this session does not fully cover the whole part, the whole structures, all the structures and all the clauses, no, all the facts which you have to keep in mind when you are studying clauses. So my dear children, please be regular, please be attentive and make one copy, so that whatever important points I am telling you here, you can jot them down in your copy. They are going to really help you in your exam. Okay, I know is main clause, rest is subordinate. Very good, Yash RIMC. Very good, very good. Can the name of anyone be a hidden subject? No. Shaswat, the name cannot be a hidden subject, because see, Shaswat, if you come in front of me and I ask you, open the door, I'll not say, like Shaswat is there in front of you and in front of me, and I'll not say, Himesh, open the door. I'll tell him, please open the door. So he is in front of me. Okay, so you is understood here. It is understood that I am talking to him. So you is the hidden subject. Understood? Got the point? Shaswat, understood? Jayan, the first sentence was starting with although. In this sentence, see, look at this part. I know is one clause. Okay? And this one, he has stood first. He has stood first. He is the subject and has stood is the verb, but this part cannot be written independently, but it is a clause. There is a combination of subject plus verb. It is a clause. Subject plus verb combination. This is one clause. This is one clause. This is the basic thing. What is a clause? The combination of subject plus verb is a clause. Clear? After the subject, verb is coming. What is the structure? Subject plus verb. Got it, everyone? But Jayant, look at the board. Jayant, look at the board. Although he plays football, can you put a full stop here? Can you put a full stop here? Although he plays football, this is a conjunction. It has a combination of subject plus verb, but it is not a sentence. It is not a sentence. It is what? It is a clause, but it is not a sentence. Understood, everyone? Is it clear? Then he has stood is only clause. He has stood. He has stood first. This whole thing is the clause. Otherwise, if you see the main thing, Deepti, I am saying my name, but we have a lovely girl here, Deepti Mishra. So, Deepti, if we say that he has stood or he has stood first, what is it? That first is a part of that clause. No, we cannot omit that. Is it clear? Arnav is saying, please increase the time of our class. Okay, Arnav Pant, we have one more child, Arnav Pant, he is asking, what is the verb in this sentence? He is a good boy. Okay. I am so happy, I am so glad that you people are coming up with the questions, because I suppose you are in 6th class or 5th class. Yes, you are preparing for RIMC. So you are not taught so many things in this level. Yes, in 5th class you are not taught all these things. So I'm so glad that you are not hesitating in asking the questions. If I say he is a good boy, so what will happen in this? He is the subject. Okay, now we have a helping verb here, but when we don't have a main verb in the sentence, then this is a verb which acts as a main verb, which is called the stative verb. Got the point? Is it clear? Meenu saying, I'll tell you tomorrow. Meenu saying, the difference between clause and sentence, I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay, we'll study this in detail tomorrow. So that is why I'm saying each and every class is linked. Okay, today is what we did sentence structure part 1, and tomorrow it will be sentence structure part 2. In any case, if you miss the parts, please watch the recorded class on YouTube. Okay, everyone. Shashwat is saying, school क्या पढ़ाएंगे? Thinking to take TC, learn to live in competitive दुनिया. I agree with you, Shashwat. I agree with you. Yes, Mamta, because we are not going to waste the time. I know you are saying first class and that too clause भारी भरकम चीज से शुरू की, because we are going to make difficult thing easy. Remember this thing. We are going to make difficult things easy. और तुम ही लोग आके मुझे बोलोगे, अरे मैम ये तो बहुत इजी था, हम लोग सोच रहे थे क्या हुआ इतना बर्डन. You only will come and tell me, ma'am, it's so very easy. And why to wait? Tomorrow only you will say, ma'am, it's so easy. We have understood everything. Okay, so see you tomorrow. With this, we are going to end this first session. Tomorrow, sharp at 8 o'clock, I'll start the session and it will go on for half an hour. But don't worry, Sunday I'll be bringing. Sunday will be marathon in which I'll be covering all the beautiful points of sentence structure. Okay, so till tomorrow, goodbye and good night from Deepti Mam and Sukhoi Academy channel. Please, children, make one copy for rule. Okay, and whatever I am writing here, whatever I am teaching you, please jot that all things in your copy. Okay, so good night, everyone.